This is lesson 5 in chapter 1 on graphing proportional relationships. So just as a review, on page 45 of your book, this is the coordinate plane. Notice you have 4 quadrants. It starts in the upper right-hand corner. And it goes around like in a C. And then you have ordered pairs that can be graphed on the coordinate plane. Your first number is your x-coordinate. That tells you how far you go on your x-axis. Your second number is your y-coordinate. That tells you how far you go on your y-axis. And the whole thing is called an ordered pair. And important is the origin, which is right in the middle at 0, 0. All right, so turn the page to page 46, and I want you to pay very close attention to this sentence. If the graph of 2 quantities is a straight line through the origin, then the 2 quantities are proportional. So it has to be a straight line through the origin. That states that it starts at 0 and it goes up by the same amount each time. So if you look at the sloth here, going 6 feet per minute, they graph the time with the distance. It does start at 0, and it's a straight line. So that is a proportional relationship. It goes up every 6 feet for every 1 minute. Letter A at the bottom there, James earns $5 an hour. So $5 for 1 hour. That would be 10 for 2, and that would be 15 for 3. Now this is our X. They're putting the hours on the X and the money on the Y. All right, so for 1 hour, $5, for 2 hours, 10, and for 3 hours, 15. And then you can draw a line and see if it goes through the origin. So extend your line to see if it does go through 0, 0. This one does. So this one's proportional because it's a straight line through the origin. That means it started at 0 and went up by $5 each hour. All right, look at this next one. That one did not go through the origin, so that would not be a proportional relationship. If you look at letter B, and if you graph those, you'll notice this top one right there is not in the line. So this one's non-proportional because it's not a straight line. And you'll notice right here it went up 4, 4, and then 5 right there. So that's where it lost its constant rate. Oops, sorry about that. And then if you look at example 3 on the next page there, which company shows a proportional relationship between the number of pitches thrown and the cost. Well, it's going to be Fun Center because it's a straight line through the origin. Softball Plus starts at $3, so maybe you have to pay a fee just to use their facilities.